Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to create a new crypto account in Ledger Live. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Ledger Live application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Ledger Live if of course you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and check out what you have and go and create your account. So here we are. We have the Ledger. Welcome to Ledger. We will make digital ownership secure and simple. You need to go and click on get started. And here you have some things. Of course, you can go and refuse them all or accept them all. So here, let's get started. Set up your Ledger. Select if your Ledger is new or was a reset. Access your wallet. Select if your Ledger is already set up. So if you don't have a Ledger, you can go and click here. And of course, then you can go and click on set up Ledger, where as you can see, select the Ledger you want to set up. Is it the Stacks, Flex, or Nano X? So basically, you just can do and choose there. And of course, they would like to have your Bluetooth. And then it will be start creating your new crypto account here, guys. As you can see, looking for Ledger Stacks. Make sure your Ledger is unlocked and choose the mobile phone you want to go and pair with. So you can go do it like that, of course. If you don't have a Ledger yet, you can go and click on here. You can buy explore this app, but as you can see, you can go click explore this app and it will get you to this screen here where you can go and do it like this. And here you have now the application where you can go and check out a lot of things. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.